Now, one thing again is this head part. Not only the title is supposed to be there. This head part handle the special instructions for the browser. So, which means if you will be adding anything, it's going to be a special instructions. So, which means you shouldn't add your code there. So apart from the title, there are some other things you can add, which are the special instructions. So if you put anything aside that in head, the browser will not recognize it and it can mess up your work. So for the phone users, you can use the codepen.io, as you can see here, and you can sign up. Before you can use it, you sign up with Twitter, GitHub, Facebook, or with email. So you fill the form, then you submit. But I'm going to log in. So once you successfully log in, what you need to click on is the pen here. Now we have three phases. We have the HTML part, the CSS, then the JavaScript. So what we need to do here is, the HTML part. So we will repeat the same thing we did in the Visual Studio. So you don't need the doc type, the HTML, the head, and the body. Only what is in between your body are what you need in CodePen. So let's just paste all that in here. Then you will get your results below. As you can see here, what we got here from Visual Studio is the same thing as this. So after the whole thing, you just need to click on this pen to name your work. My work. Then you click on save here. So after saving, you can, once you log in again, maybe another time, you can just come to my work. Then you can see my work here. You click on it again. Then you get you can continue with the project again. So that is how to use the CodePen. Thank you for watching.